Jenny Bon here and welcome back to my channel. This Try It Like Jenny episode, I'm gonna be trying for the first time the new PUR Punisher mask. So they actually gifted me this Punisher mask and I can't wait to try. I can't wait to try it because first of all it is purple. And I haven't really tried any pore mask before, so actually this is my first time trying it. So I want to see how it goes on my skin, and I want to give you guys a brief review about this mask as well. So stay tuned and keep on watching. You gotta wait for 15 minutes to let it dry and to have it completely dry. And I noticed, like, before I remove my mask, what I usually do to check if the mask is completely dry already is I try to move my face and have like different expressions like this, you know? I know it sounds silly, but that's the only thing, like, the mask would get loose on your face, so you need to do a lot. You gotta raise your eyebrows, smile, like this. And as you can see, this part is already loose and it would be easier for you to remove the mask. That's a very, very helpful tip if you are trying to remove a mask like this. My review about this mask. First of all, what I love about this mask is that the key ingredients is a charcoal, and as you all know, charcoal is a natural ingredient and it's really good for your skin. It's very easy to use and it's so good to your skin, and the fact that it leaves my skin hydrated and moisturized is also one thing I love about this mask as well. And the color itself is purple, and I'm like absolutely in love with color purple, as it also has hazel water and glycerin, which is really good for your skin as well. And it doesn't this mask easily comes off. Like, aside from charcoal mask I've tried before that it's so hard to take it off, this mask like literally comes off easily. Just follow my helpful tip, the one I showed you guys. And I think for this for the price of like around 20 bucks. I think this is a really good mask. So I hope you guys learned something about this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below the comment box section, and I will see you again next time. Bye.